Good morning, students. In previous video, we have done up to the exercise 9.3. Today we will start solution of differential equations. Here is the topic, methods of solving first degree differential equation. First order means the equation having dy upon dx, and first degree means that is having power 1. Now, here is the first method to solve the differential equation, that is a variable separable method. Variable separable method. In this method, here are two variables in the equation x and y. One is dependent variable, other is independent variable. In this variable separable method, you have to just separate the variables. X and y are separated, and then you will solve the differential equation. Let's see how to separate the variables. Yes, here is example number 9. Find the general solution of the differential equation dy upon dx is equal to x plus 1 upon 2 minus y. First thing, general solution. General solution means a solution having arbitrary constants. Second one will be the particular solution, where you will find out the value of the arbitrary constant and put that value in the equation, then you will get the particular solution. It means two type solution will be asked in the exam. First is general solution, second is particular solution. Now here is the question for general solution. Let's do by taking the method variable separable method. In this method, you have to separate the variables. You will take x variable with dx and y variable with dy. Both dx and dy should be written in a denominator. X, dx and dy. Now 2 minus y will go to the left hand side, and dx and x plus 1 goes to the right hand side. Here it is written like this, dy and dx. It means dy having y variable and dx having x variable. Now integrating both sides means 2 minus y with respect to y you have to integrate it, and in right hand side x plus 1 you have to integrate with respect to x. Now what you will get after integration? Integration is 2y, integration of y is minus y square upon 2 is equal to integration of x is x square by 2, and integration of 1 is x. And constant of both sides, this one side constant, this one side constant, both are combined, and you write down C1, one constant, that is C1. Now take the LCM, simplify it, write down the statement. This is the simplification of this equation, and you will get x square plus y square plus 2x minus 4y plus c equal to 0. What is c? C is 2c1 equal to, this 2c1 is c, and c equal to 0. Now second example, find the general solution of dy upon dx is equal to 1 plus y square is equal to, 1 plus y square upon 1 plus x square. Now arrange the statement according to the variable separable method. Take the terms of y with dy and take the terms of x with dx. Now you can take dx to this side and 1 plus y square should be in a left hand side. Now in taking integration both sides, integration of 1 upon 1 plus y square is tan inverse y, and this is tan inverse x plus constant. This is the answer. Find the particular solution of differential equation. Particular solution. I have told you two types of solution will be asked in the exam. One is general solution, other is particular solution. Here you have to find out the particular solution. For the particular solution, you have one value of x and y which you have to put and get the value of the arbitrary constant. Now dy upon dx is this one. Make the arrangement of the statement according to the variable separable method. Now when you arrange the statement, you will get integration of 1 upon y square with respect to y, integration of x with respect to dx. Now integrate you are getting statement y is equal to like this. Now you have x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. You have to put here in the equation. When you put x and y values, you will get the value of c, that is equal to -1. When you got the value of c, that is -1, and you put that value in the answer of the general solution, then that answer becomes a particular solution. The value of c, that is equal to -1, you have put the value of c and you will get the solution, that is particular solution. Now for example number 12, equation is given. Find the equation of the curve passing through the point whose differential equation is given. In your syllabus, when equation is given to you and you have to find out the solution, such type of questions are in your syllabus. When you have to frame the equation, then solve the equation, that type of question are not in your syllabus. Now here is the question. Variable separable method. Here is the solution. And the value x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 is given. Put here. And you will get the value of c, that is 0. Put that value c in the equation. You will get the answer, particular solution. Equation of the required curve, that will be equal to this one, or you can say this is a particular solution of the given differential equation. Now again, the equation is given, dy upon dx is equal to 2x upon y square. Variable separable method, apply it, y square integration, 2x integration. Now you have to find out the value of c if x and y are given. What are the x and y? X is -2 and y is equal to 3. X is -2 and y is equal to 3. You will get the value of c, that is 5. Put that value in the equation, solution equation. You will get the answer, this one. You can write this answer or this answer, because actually we want to find out the value of y, which y will satisfy the differential equation. So you can write down like this, y is equal to 3x square plus 15 to the power 1 by 3. Okay, this is okay, and if you able to find out the value of y, it's also okay. Now here's the worst problem, not in syllabus. Now exercise 9.4 is just related to the concept by using variable separable method. You will try the questions of exercise 9.4 by same method, variable separable. Now we'll discuss second method also here, how to solve the differential equation by using the next method, that is the homogeneous differential equations. Second is the homogeneous differential equation. In this equation, two types of questions will be asked in the examination. First you have to check whether the given equation is a homogeneous equation or not. And if it is a homogeneous equation, then solve the differential equation. How to check the statement whether it is homogeneous or not? Let's see. Solve the differential equation. This is homogeneous. Show. First of all, show and then solve it. Okay. When you want to show the equation is a homogeneous equation, for that you have to put x is equal to lambda x and y equal to lambda y in the given equation. After putting the value, this x is equal to lambda x and y is equal to lambda y, you will get the statement like this. All lambdas came out common and those are cancelled, and only statement comes out, same statement, which is the given. Let's see, dy upon dx 2y x minus y. When you put, that is x lambda x 2 times of lambda y, and this is lambda x minus lambda y. You can take common lambda from the numerator and lambda from the denominator. What you will get? Lambda cancelled. Here is x plus 2y. Here is x minus y. Same statement you will get. It means after putting this lambda x lambda y, you are getting the same function which is given. Lambda will be cancelled. If such type of statements are given to you, it means the statement is a homogeneous differential equation statement. Now how to solve such type of equations? in such type of equations, you have to just first check whether the statement is in the form of dy upon dx or in the form of dx upon dy. Two types of cases will be there. Always two types of cases will be there. Whether the question should be in a form of dy upon dx or maybe in the form of dx upon dy. When it is in the case form dy upon dx, then you have to put y is equal to vx in the statement, and dy upon dx equal to derivative is v as it is, x derivative is 1 x, and dv upon dx in the statement. It means y replaced by vx and dy upon dx replaced by v plus x dv upon dx. If the question is in the form of dx upon dy equal to the statement, then you have to put x is equal to vy, and the derivative of dx upon dy you have to put in the equation. That will be v plus, now here is y as it is, this is dv upon dy. You have to put x is equal to vy and dx upon dy is equal to v plus y dv upon dy. These are the important part which you have to remember first, and this is the second step. These two steps you have to learn. Now here's the way to do the question. Question is, just see the question here. This is a question. You have to put y is equal to vx in the question and dy upon dx here written. When you put y is equal to vx, it becomes 1 upon 2v upon 1 minus v. Now take this v to the right hand side. Now take the LCM. Here you have to take the LCM. After taking LCM, now your target is now further is what? If the question is homogeneous, after substituting all these things, y is equal to vx and dy upon dx values, when you substitute, question become of the type variable separable. Our target is to make the statement variable separable after substitution, y is equal to vx, like this. Now question is this for now. You have to arrange the statement like this. V term should be in the one side and the x term should be on the other side. Here we have arranged the statement. Now target is to solve. Integrate it both sides. Integration of this is this one. Now here integration part. Linear upon quadratic. Here after multiplying by 2, both like this. Multiplying and dividing by 2. And arrange this minus 2 like this. Minus 3 plus 1. It is 2. Arrangement of 3 can be done like this. 3 minus 3 plus 1, that is minus 2. Minus log x is the integration of the right hand side. If you know the integration, how to integrate, then it's easy to do the questions. If you don't know how to integrate, then you have to do first 7th chapter, then go to the differential equation. After integration, the simplification is there, only integration is there. You can integrate by applying the formula. After integrating, you can write the answer up to this or put the value of v here in the equation. That will be the answer. In the next steps, the solution of question is just simplification is done only. After putting the value of v, y upon x, just you can write the answer up to this. No need to solve further. If you can do by applying the log formula, then you can do, no problem. Now equation is this one, y x cos y upon x dy upon dx, y cos y upon x plus x. Rearrange the statement, write the statement like this, dy upon dx is equal to this. First of all, you have to check whether it is dx upon dy arrangement or dy upon dx arrangement. Here is a dy upon dx arrangement. Now you have to put y is equal to vx and dy upon dx will be equal to v plus x dv upon dx. After putting this, the question is now in the form of variable separable. You have to convert. Yes, here is the question. After substitution, question is this one. Take this v to the right hand side, simplify it. Now integrate after variable separable part, integrate the statement. After integration, when you got the answer, that is sine v is equal to log mod of cx, again now here you have to put the value of v, come back. The value was, if v is equal to y, v is equal to y upon x. Put it here and you will get the answer. This is a solution of the differential equation. If the value of x and y are given to you, in that case you can calculate the value of c, arbitrary constant. In the next example, it is given the x and y are given. It means you want particular solution. At the end, you have to find out the value of c by putting x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 1. Here you can see that the equation is in the form of x upon y. You can see here x upon y power is given. It means question can be done as in the form of dx upon dy. From here you have to put what? X is equal to vy now. Dx upon dy will be equal to v plus y into dv upon dy. It means if the question is of dy upon dx or dx upon dy, you have to check first, then substitute and do by using the variable separable method. The question become this one. After substitution and simplification, you are getting this, and integration is a very easy part. Very easy integration is there. You can integrate. Now for c, the value of x and y are given to you. Then you will get the value of c. Put that value c and you will get the particular solution of the given differential equation. It means in the homogeneous part, first you have to check whether the equation is of dy upon dx type or dx upon dy, and substitute accordingly. After substitution, the question again goes to the method variable separable method. It means you have to apply a variable separable method in both the solutions, but in first case directly you have to apply. In the second case you have to apply, first substitute and then apply. Okay. All these types are of the same type of questions are there. Only words problems are not in your syllabus. Now you have to try the exercise 9.4 and 9.5 both. First 9.4 by using variable separable method. In 9.5 you have to solve the question by checking whether the equation is of homogeneous equation, and after substitution convert that homogeneous equation into the variable separable and do the question. Now here are two exercises which are in your syllabus. Do these two exercises. In next video we will do important questions or difficult questions of these two exercises, 9.4 and 9.5. Thank you. Have a nice day.